Hi there, fourth graders. Mrs. Nelson here, and we are Group 1. We're starting with addition and subtraction, so we're going to be doing some addition. We're going to use the standard algorithm. This is something you should be fluent with by the end of fourth grade. So we're going to start out with some fairly small numbers, and we're going to do something that requires some regrouping. So let's take a look at this. So I have 85, and then I'm adding 84 to it. So if we look at this, I have 5 plus 4, 5 ones, 5 ones, plus 4 ones. That'll be 9. So remember, I have these boxes here so it lines up. Remember, one digit. The 9 is a digit. It's one digit per box. You cannot put 2 digits in a box. Cannot do that. So if I had 19, I could not put the 1 in there. Could not do it. I would have to do something else with that one group of 10, because it's 10 plus 9. So it's 9, so it's one digit. I won't have to carry. So then I have 8 plus 8, so that'll be 16. I have 8 groups of 10 plus 8 groups of 10 is 16 groups of 10, or 80 plus 80 is 160. 16 times 10 is 160, if that makes any sense. So I have to put the 6 down, and I have to carry the one group of 100, the one group of 100 into the hundreds place. So I have the 9, the 6 in the tens place, and the 1, because it's 16 groups of 10, it's 160. I put the 1 in the hundreds place. All right, so let's take a look at the next problem. We have 9 plus 0. Well, that's going to be 9, so that'll go in the ones place. I have 50 plus 60. But we take 5 groups of 10 plus 6 groups of 10 is 11 groups of 10. Remember, I can't write 11 there because that means there's 2 digits per box. So I just have to write 1 here and 1 there. So that's 119 because I had to carry the one group of 100 over to the hundreds place. Okay? I can't put more than one digit there. All right, so 5 plus 6. I have 5 ones plus 6 ones makes 11 ones, and you can't put 2 digits there. Can't do it. So you got to take that 1 away and carry it to the tens place, because you can't put 2 digits in a spot, in a place value. Remember that. So now I have 7 plus 1 more makes 8, plus 4 more makes 12. So 12 for 120, so I have 120. So I got to carry that 1 to the hundreds place. I hope you're writing this down. This is one of the harder things you'll do for fourth grade. Many of you will be stuck at this spot right here. Okay, so now I'm going to scroll down. Mrs. Nelson rode her bike 88 miles yesterday, so 88 miles. Then she rode her bike 71 today. How many miles did she ride her bike all together? So that tells you that, hey, I'm adding. So please add this. So she rode and then she rode. And then all together tells you addition. That tells you addition. So 8 groups of 1, 8 groups of ones, or 8 groups of $1 plus 1 more $1 makes $9. Okay, and then 8, there's not 2 digits, so I don't have to carry anything. 8 plus 7 is going to be 15. 8 groups of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. There's 8 groups of 10, so 8 groups of 10, so 80, so 8. And then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So that's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 groups are 150. 150. So I put the 5 underneath the 8 and carry the 1 group of 100. 159 miles. You need to make sure that you tell me how many miles. How many miles? And label it with miles. Okay, we're going to scroll down here. And here's where it starts getting kind of wonky. So, the carrying and the borrowing during subtraction are difficult. So we have two $1 bills, and you can take one $1 bill away, and that leaves you one. Remember, one digit per box. Okay? I have six $10 bills, six of them, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and I'm going to take 40 or four $10 bills away. 10, 20, 30, 40, and that leaves me with two $10 bills, or 20. So I have 21, because that's really going to be 20 plus 1, is really what that is. Okay? Alright, so now, this one's much harder because you're going to do something called borrowing. And borrowing, carrying and borrowing is how your parents learned how to do math. That's probably one of the, it's a staple. It's not the only way to solve a problem, and I will expect you to be able to solve your addition and subtraction problems more than one way. So this one says I have four $1 bills, four $1 bills, $1, $1, $1, $1, and I have to take 7 of them away. If you have $4, can you take 7 away? No, you cannot. So what I need to do is I need to regroup my money. So I have if you notice, I have $60 right here. I can borrow, I have 60, and I can borrow one group of 10. I can borrow it and take it away from the 60. From the 6 groups of 10, I can take one and take it away. And that will leave me with 5. Okay? Now that 110 that I borrowed, I have to turn it from a $10 bill. I have to take that one $10 bill and turn it into $6. 1, 2, 3. I have to turn it, I have to take that one $10 bill that I took away from the 60, that one $10 bill, and trade it for 10 ones. 10 ones. So what I'll do is I'll give that 10 1 to the 4, and it becomes 14, because 10 plus 4 is 14. Because I took one $10 bill, added it to my 4 to make 14. Now I have enough money to 14 minus 7 is going to become 7. Okay, 5 $10 bills, taking 3 $10 bills away, leaves me 2 $10 bills for 27, because that becomes 20 plus 7. Okay, this one, if you have 3 $1 bills and take one $1 bill away, that leaves you 2. 5 $10 bills, taking one $10 bill away, leaves you 4. 42. So that's 40 plus 2. Now I'm not asking you to write expanded form, but it might be nice so you can just make that correlation. All right. Remember, write these stuff down. Write it down, write it down, write it down. All right, so Dyson had 51 star stickers in a book. He gave 34 out during the class Christmas party. How many stickers did he have left? So you know that if he's saying that he had 51, and he gave out, that means he got rid of them, will have less. How many stickers did Dyson have left? So then I had 51 taking 34 away. Please write this down. Okay, so if I have one $1 bill, can I take $4 from you? If you have $1, can I take 4? No, you cannot. So I'm going to cross that off, saying I can't do it. Okay? Then I'm going to come over to the 5 $10, and I'm going to borrow 1. So I can give it to the ones place. So that'll become 4, and this will become 11, because 10 plus 1 more becomes 11. So now I have $11, taking 4 away, so 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. $7 is left. 4 $10 bills, and I take 3 of them away, leaves me with 1. So 17 stickers are left. So you need to also tell me how many stickers he has. Okay, Now, remember, rounding, rounding, rounding. This is not something we've touched on a lot, but again, round to the nearest tens. So remember, you're going to circle the number that's in the tens place, and then that number is going to look to the number on the right and ask for help. And remember, if it's 0 through 4, they're weak. 5 through 9, they're strong. Okay, so 6 is strong. So he's strong. He's strong. So strong can push 5 up and make him bigger. So 5 will become 6, and then 6 leaves. He goes away. So 56 becomes 60. All right. How many groups of 10 are in 88? So you look and say, okay, what digit is in the tens place? How many groups of 10? I look for the tens place, and then I circle everything in front. Well, there's going to be 8. 8 groups of 10. Okay, write in an expanded form. So this is going to be, you have 3 digits. You have the ones, the tens, and the hundreds. So again, you're going to say, okay, 7 times. So 7 times 1 is 1. Plus 9 times 10 is 90. Plus 9 times 100. Oopsies. 9 times 100 is 900. So, expanded form. Okay? Moving on. Use greater than, equal to, or less than to show greater than, less than, or equal. So, looking at these two numbers, I have 898, 731. Well, obviously, the alligator eats the bigger number. So, the alligator will eat 898. It won't eat 731. So 898 is greater than 731, or 731 is less than 898. Either way you want to say it. All right. Questions, concerns, let me know. This will take you guys a couple days to master. So remember, if you don't master it on your independent work, you'll be doing it again on the next session. And we have a couple weeks to get this mastered, so no fears. I'll see you soon.